Hello dear student, today we are going to start our second exercise, that is exercise 1.2. So let us begin with question number 1. What is given in the question number 1? Write down a pair of integers whose A. Sum is minus 7, B. Differences is minus 10 and C. Sum is 0. So dear student, how to do such kind of sum? For that you must know the addition of positive and negative integer rules. So let us start with question number 1. See dear student, the first question is sum is negative 7. I had taken negative 14 and 17. Sum of these two will give negative 7. Why? Negative 14 and positive 7. 14 minus 7 is 7. Here 14 is negative, 14 is greater than 7. That means you will get your solution in negative, that is negative 7. Now the second, that is B, pair of integer whose differences is negative 10. Means you have to take two pair of integer whose differences must be 10. So I had taken 30 and 40. Means differences of 30 and 40, that is 30 minus 40 gives negative 10. Then again pair of integer whose sum is 0. Here you can take any number, you can take one positive number, that is negative 39 and positive 39. Sum of both negative positive will always give 0. That is, you can take negative 1 and positive 1, you can take negative 2 and positive 2 and so on. Now let us start question number 2. The question says, write a pair of a negative integer whose differences gives 8. Means here you have to write a pair of negative integer whose differences will give 8. Means only negative integer you have to take and you have to do a differences of both and the result should be 8. Okay, now let us see the solution. Write a pair of an integer whose differences give 8. See here. Now I had taken two negative integer, that is negative 2 and negative 10. Now the word says whose differences give 8. So I have to do subtraction. Negative 2 minus minus 10. As per the rule, if any negative sign outside the bracket, whatever the value inside the bracket, if it is negative, it becomes positive. Now negative 2, negative will become positive. So negative 2 and positive 10. That means what? Sum of negative 2 and positive 10 gives positive 8. So which two number I had taken to bring 8? Negative 2 and negative 10. Means differences of both will give 8. Now let us see the another example. Write a negative integer and positive integer whose sum is minus 5. Means you have to take one negative integer and one positive integer to bring the sum of both negative 5. So I had taken negative 10 and positive 5. Means sum of both minus plus always going to minus and the answer will be negative. Why? Because negative 10 is greater than 5. So minus plus minus 10 minus 5, your value will be negative because 10 is greater than 5. So which two number I had taken? Negative 10 and 5. Now the next question, write a negative integer and a positive integer whose differences is negative 3. Now you have to do a subtraction. So I had taken one negative integer, that is negative 1, and a positive integer, that is only 2. Only 2. Now the differences of both. Differences of both, minus minus always plus. The minus 1 minus 2 gives minus 3 and sign of minus only. So which two number I had taken? Minus 1 and 2. Now let us start the third question. The third question says, in a quiz, team A scored minus 40, 10 and 0 and team B scored 10, 0 and minus 40 in 3 successive rounds. Which team scored more? Can we say that we can add integers in any order? Okay, now let us see how to do such kind of sum. So here is the solution. See, what I did, I had divided both the team in two parts. Now the condition given, team A scored negative 40, 10, 0 in 3 successive rounds. And team B scored 10, 0, negative 40 in 3 successive rounds. Now we need to add all the scored to see whether both teams scored equally or not. See, let us now add negative 40 plus 10 plus 0. 0 has no value, means now what is left? Negative 40 and 10. Negative 40 and 10 gives negative 30. Now let us see, let us check the score of team B. 10 plus 0 plus negative 40. 0 has no value. Now what is left? 10 plus minus always. Now here outside the bracket positive sign is there. So whatever the value inside the bracket, negative 40 will remain same. No need to change sign. So negative 40 will come over here. Now 10 minus negative 40 is negative 30. So both the teams scored equally. And what is the second what is the second question in that? Can we say that we can add integer in any order? Yes. See here negative 40, 10 and 0, and here 10, 0 and negative 40. We can add the integer in any order. There will be no change in solution, that is answer. Now let us start question number 4. Fill in the blanks to make the following statement true. Very simple blanks are given. Okay, now let us start. Now let us see the solution of question number 4. Now here in first it is given negative 5 plus negative 8 equals to negative 8 plus what? So negative 5 plus negative 8 gives negative 13. So in the same way, now to get negative 13, what we will add to negative 8? Again, the negative 8 should be added to negative 5 only. So here negative 5 plus negative 8 should be equals to negative 8 plus negative 5. Now second one, negative 53 plus what is equals to negative 53 only. So negative 53 should be added to 0. What? 0 to get negative 53. Now 17 plus what to get 0 over here. So 17, that is positive 17 plus negative 17. You will get 0. Now 13 plus negative 12 plus what? Gives 13 plus negative 12 plus negative 7. Now here in right hand side all the three values given, that is 13, negative 12 and negative 17, and in left hand side 13, negative 12, but one value which is missing, that is negative 7. So write down negative 7 to equalize both these sides. Now here also same thing. In the left hand side negative 4 plus in bracket 15 plus negative 3, and in right hand side negative 4 given, 15 given, and what is not given? Negative 3. So just write it negative 3 to equalize both the side.